The most important seed. Did you know that people eat grass seeds? It's true. You probably will eat one or more kinds of grass seeds today. Wheat, corn, rice, oats, millet, and sorghum are all grasses. They are important sources of nutrition for humans, but rice is the most important. Billions of people depend on it for their food every day. Rice was one of the first crops to be grown. In fact, it has been grown in Asia for at least 8,000 years. The countries that produce the most rice are China and India. In the United States, 6 states are known for growing rice. They are Arkansas, California, Louisiana, Mississippi, Missouri, and Texas. Rice is a wetland crop. The rice plants actually grow in water. The flooded fields where the rice seeds are planted are called paddies. The rice plants are then kept in water until 2 or 3 weeks before they are ready to be harvested. It takes about 6 months for rice to grow. The rice seeds we eat grow on long, droopy stems. Each plant has several stems. One rice plant produces hundreds of new rice seeds. That's plenty of seeds to eat and plant next year. Each rice seed is covered by a hard protective shell called a hull. After the rice is harvested, the hull is removed to get to the edible grain inside. Many varieties of rice grow around the world. Some are short-grained, some are long-grained, and some are beautiful colors. Changes in the environment. Rice is one of the most important food sources around the world. For this reason, people use a lot of land to grow rice. The environment changes when a rice paddy is created. Terrestrial, or dry land environments, are changed into aquatic, or water environments. Terrestrial organisms cannot live in aquatic environments. Animals such as ground squirrels, snakes, and ants must find new places to live and raise their young. Oak trees, sunflowers, and thistles cannot live in water. The creation of a rice paddy is detrimental or harmful to terrestrial organisms. However, the rice paddy creates a new place for aquatic organisms to live. Crayfish and frogs are among the rice plants. Aquatic insects such as damselflies, mayflies, and mosquitoes thrive. Ducks and geese find water and food in rice paddies. Rice paddies are beneficial to aquatic organisms. Making a rice paddy changes the environment. Humans can cause these changes. Other organisms change the environment too. The changes to the environment can affect the well-being of other organisms. Muskrats live in aquatic environments. They make their homes by tunneling into the banks of streams and ponds. Muskrats can live in the earthen walls that surround rice paddies. The muskrat tunnels can weaken the walls and cause them to break. When the walls break, the water flows out. The paddy changes back to a terrestrial environment. When this happens, the muskrat and all the other aquatic organisms must find new homes. Muskrats causing rice paddy walls to break is one example of how an organism can change the environment. The change in this example is detrimental to the organism and to the other aquatic organisms. But the land organisms benefit because there is more terrestrial environment. Thinking about changing environments. Number 1. Grains are grass seeds used for human food. What other kinds of seeds do humans use for food? Number 2. How do environments change when humans make rice paddies? Number 3. How can muskrats change their environment? And what are some of the results?